Wagwan River Boys. Last night, if you didn't see my stream, why wasn't you there? Yeah, someone sent me McDonald's. Yeah, I've got to be careful because I'm not wearing any underwear. It was just basically patties. So it was, yeah, I can't stand that word because I'm American. Yeah, I've got 3 of them. What do you mean? I got really excited that I had, like, drunk food. Like, do you know what I mean? But yeah, someone sent me them. So today, we're literally going to stick a few egg. Again, I've got to be really careful because I'm not wearing any underwear. Like, legit. I'm literally just doing this to make a video. Yeah, we're going to stick some eggs in it. And we're going to see how it goes. Just to stick 2 things up with a twat that sent me fucking 3 non-cheeseburgers. I have to win. I have to win. Right. So the eggs are in. This is, by the way, the greatest invention ever. Yeah. It's on Amazon. Just, yeah, it's non-stick. It's absolutely, even though it does technically, if you don't cook your eggs, if you cook your eggs fast, then it sticks. If you cook them slowly, then you can turn them over. Yeah, we're going to stick the buns in the microwave for like 10 seconds just to warm them up a bit. And yeah, we are going to, yeah, it's just a big fuck you to whoever sent me patties. And I'll show you the results. We fucked up. I got impatient. We've broken all the eggs. Yeah. But the buns smell absolutely gorgeous after being in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now, for the taste test. I don't care what you say, everything tastes better with a little egg mayonnaise. It's just facts. Facts of life, mate. Facts of life. I think we all can agree that they look absolutely sensational. I'm gonna tuck in and see if it was worth my time and effort. So now for the taste test. Was it worth it? No, it wasn't worth it. I didn't win. The buns just feel a little bit stale. Is it edible? Yeah. It's edible. But that's it. It's edible. And that's only because of my packet. So yeah. Well done to the twat that sent me 3 buns yesterday. You won. You will not win again.